behind me, the Mar25. I took up kayaking 25 years ago. That's a long... Black swans or whatever they are. And where you can do it. So you really need a space to do it. Hey, boys. So just a little bit of mess probably. Feeling close. Like a glove. You keep the flats of your paddles and the bottom half of your paddles. And keep the top part out. You can see my path over here. You notice the green. Plant life just below the water. You see them. It's the fan palm. I don't want to knock my camera off. I can pull myself through. Oh, in our kayaker. Place for a peaceful paddle.
It does. It really is nice and absolutely quiet up there.
Did you come from that direction, or you came from?
No. Do you know where you're going up here?
No, I don't. I've never been this far this direction. No.
Well, if you keep going, you'll come to a waterfall.
Okay. Because there's another waterfall on the other side.
Yes, but this is another one up here that not many people know about.
Oh. No,
you're not far away from it.
Okay.
As you get, just watch, there's some big boulders underneath. You've got to just carefully steer around.
Right.
But you'll hear it before long.
Yeah.
It's not as big as that one round there.
Yeah.
But you just been up to the other one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been up to that one a couple times. It's a little easier.
Yeah. Well, don't tell too many people about this one.
Yeah. I won't.
Yeah, you're about 5 minutes away from it.
Okay. Good.
All right, enjoy your paddle.
Yes, you too. Enjoy the peace. This is already worth the choice. Wow, this is a whole new place I've never seen.